Oh, no, I don't want any.
You don't want? Yes. Oh,
Mommy.
mommy? You want some more?
Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another. Oh, wait. My mic is off. Yeah. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another Shogun live on X Spaces and YouTube Live. I don't have anyone. Oh, there we go. Mama Token. Hey, Mama Token. If you want to participate in the chat, you should go to YouTube Live. We'll just wait a few minutes until everybody can join us, right? This is here, 2. So that's there's nobody, 0 people. Only here is Mama Token. Yeah. How are you, Mama Token? We're just looking at this one there. John, you're on X, but I'm also doing a YouTube live. If you want to participate in the chats, we have Cairo doing the modding. Yeah. Yeah, I know it's you. Hello. So if you want to participate in the chats, you should go on YouTube Live, because the Spaces podcast doesn't have a chat like YouTube Live. I think YouTube Live for chatting is better than Spaces, but I'm still doing Spaces because it's just there's a big audience waiting for that, you know. Oh, what happened? I need to adjust the camera a little bit there. So how is everybody doing? First week of December is gone. We are on the 8th of December. For some people, 8th of December means something about the Virgin. If anybody knows what 8th of December, what I know is on this day, people who celebrate Christmas in a meaningful way, not just by putting the Christmas tree and buying presents, but also more. Who's that? Ezekiel. Ezekiel. Hey, Ezekiel. Um, show this. Yeah. So in a more spiritual, that's the word, spiritual way than just the commercial side of it. I don't know what country are you coming from? Can you tell people where you coming from? I'll be looking at the YouTube live feed for that. If you can comment on your country of residence right now. Welcome Cryptomania to Spaces. I hope you can join us on YouTube Live. We're having a chat right now. Welcome Caleb, um, Cairo, and John. We're having a YouTube Live at the same time. And you know what? I don't think I shared the YouTube Live on X. Let me do that. Let me just quickly. I think how do you your channel? So your channel. I want to share. Okay, let's do this. If you go to the website shoguncoin.com, right? At the very end, you will see uh, all our channels, our social media, Facebook, Telegram, TikTok, X, and YouTube. The last one, YouTube, it should take you to my channel, the Shogun Coin channel, and then you can just follow the links and join us in the on the live chat. Okay, Mama Token says I'm from Nigeria. How are things in what time is it in Nigeria now? Should be like 10 p.m., right? I'm not sure. How about Ezekiel? And then we have Cryptomania and Caleb. 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 How are things in Nigeria? Cairo? It's, he says it's 11:05 p.m. Oh, wow. Maybe I should change it. I put I started the show now, but maybe I should do it a little bit earlier because this is gonna end at uh, midnight. Then we'll do 1 hour, and then uh, as more people get to know the channel and the live stream, um, we'll modify the uh, the time schedule for the Sundays, and we can start earlier. But I need to see more activity, more people joining. Uh, the more people join this channel, the more people participate, the more people we have as investors and help with this project. It's a project that just by myself it would be impossible to push all the way to the top. I think our best bet is to first uh, create a community of people that we all agree in one thing as growing this coin, growing the Shogun coin. Because now with let me check one thing. Yeah, now the camera is too low. So now with Solana at 240 and getting closer to 300, the people who invested in Shogun, the early investors that we still have most of them, uh, will see the we'll see if you look at my wait, I have it here. Look at the graphic, right? Um, we've been in a range for a few months now. This range here, do we have? Uh, this is to draw. Yeah, if you look at this range since July until now, but it started on October 11. It started to go up, right? Like this. You notice that this previous range here has been broken here on this line. Wait, put the line there. There. Yeah. So this range here, let me know if you can see that. So this range that we've been going up and down, uh, it's it's already broken this level and getting to the new level and slowly going back to 100K slowly, which is good. I prefer to see this going slowly because last time when we went all the way up, but people manipulating the prices, um, then we also came down very quickly, which is something 99% of the tokens see that happening in the first month. Some of them in the first two days, right? You see that happening all the time. But I want you guys to look at this range, and what this range has to tell you is that the community is supporting the project and nobody's leaving the project. Maybe a few people selling, of course. There's always needs at home. We need a few, uh, a few coins, a few dollars you need to spend. Well, you sell it, then you buy it again. But what this is telling me that the community is supporting the Shogun coin, right? And we are at $10,000 liquidity, 15,000 market cap, which is good. We were at the beginning. We started here, right? And we went all the way, and now we're higher than that here. So as you can see, the community is supporting the. Let me see. There's a couple of comments on spaces. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Okay. And requested Cryptomania. I only allow because I'm doing two things at the same time. We're not. I'm not. It would be for me too much to handle two streams at the same time, and one of them spaces, uh, people talking on spaces, and also on YouTube Live, the chat. Um, uh, I don't know. I do you want to speak, Cryptomania? Do you want to say something? Okay, I'll just approve you. Whatever. Okay, you're approved, Cryptomania. If you want to talk, there you go. But you will also be. We can try because since I'm also streaming on YouTube Live, I don't know what's gonna happen. All right. Hello again, Miko. At in about 45 minutes, I will be sending a tweet with the winners of the meme coin contest. And this time it was you had to make President Trump dress as a samurai. We had 150 people submitting their work. A lot of people copying other people's, but I managed to go through them and selected the best three that I thought would be um, the winners. So I will be releasing that information in after the show. So you will see the post later. All right. So going back to uh, so if, if you look at the graphic here, you see we've been in a range for a few months already. So and that for me is an indication that there is a community waiting to see what's happening. They're not losing faith in the project. And now, if we go to 4 hour graphic, uh, that's our range. So we see that we broke here and we're aiming higher. And then we saw some sales, and then uh, I hope that we're going to move higher soon. Okay. Um, well, let's go back to the live streaming. So everybody, anybody else see? I cannot see people participating in the, I can only see if you make a comment, post a comment here, and then I will see that you're participating. Just say hello if you're there. Stream health, stream settings, okay, chat rate. What's this? Views. All right. So anybody else? Cryptomania, you requested speaking privileges. Are you talking? No. So where's everybody else?
I was vlogging, so I'm trying to fix things out. How are you guys doing? Stream everybody.
I'm not sure what you said. Something about an explosion. Well, if it would be helpful if you can write down what you said, but something you have some problems with the audio. So let's go and let's take a look at. We have the markets. Markets. The markets. How do you like my streaming? I'm using OBS 30.23. So I can share one screen and the other screen. Look at that. And then I can move my face somewhere else. Ain't that cool? I don't know. Should I be here? No, but I should be here, I think. But that's the chat. The chat there. Here. Yeah. Here's the chat. I'm still here, it says. Who said that? Oh, yeah. Cairo. Thank you, Cairo. So I always take a look at Bitcoin. Look, 100 again. And we know in 7 days chart, it reached all the way to 103.5. And there was a big sell off here. Wow. That's the nature of the beast. All the way to 94. And then it went again back up. Amazing. What do you think, guys, about? You can post in the chat. What do you think about Bitcoin? I don't have Bitcoin myself. Let's take a look. What else? Yeah, I always wanted to take a look at Sol. What is your prediction on Sol, guys? 7 days, 1 month. We got all the way to 263, right? And now we're at 236. Let's take a look at 1 year. If you look at the 1 year chart, you'll see there's been a growth, significant growth in the 1 year chart. According to this, it went up by 222% in 1 year. Right. So if the projections are stable, and this is what I wanted to talk about this Shogun explosion. What it means for me, the Shogun explosion, is by supporting Solana, because as you know, Shogun coin is based on Solana, so the liquidity pool is all in Sol. So the price of Shogun not only is based by the price of Solana, but also by the buy and sell of the Shogun coin. So if people buy either one or the other, so if the price of Solana goes up, the price of Shogun will go up as well in USD. I want you to understand that part, because it for me it's very clear that you are at this moment making money either way, by buying Shogun or buying Sol. But if you're buying Shogun, you can um, benefit from the price increase in Shogun and the price increase of Solana, so you benefit twice. Do you see that? Do you see it that way too, or it's just me? But if you only hold Solana, you depend solely on the price of Solana, of Sol, right? So that's the big difference. Um, so as long as you hold Shogun and keep buying Shogun and bring more people, we'll save. And you know, it's a matter of looking at this range. All these days, months actually, it's been stable. So a few people selling, few people buying again, selling, buying, selling, buying, buying, selling, buying again, selling, buying, a range. And then going up and buying a big volume here on November 7th. So if you are able to invest in Shogun, that will be you will be making money in two ways. That's part of the Shogun explosion, because once if we count that in the next year, 2025, Solana will increase its price as much as it did in the last year, which is 222%. Let's just, for a moment, let me get a calculator. So to 100 times 4, 4 times 235. So if everything goes well, Solana, the Sol coin, crypto, it will be around $900 USDC by the end of 2025, according to a relative um, and uh, growth and constant growth compared to this year 2024. If it follows the same pattern that it followed in the 2024, then 2025 Solana or Sol should get to 900 USDC. So imagine if you have you're holding Shogun, your Shogun will double or triple the price. If you right now you're holding 100 USDC of Sol, by the end of 2025 you'll have 300. That's the easy math that I'm doing over there. And if anybody else has a different opinion, just let me know. Let me see if the chat. Anyone else has an opinion? Opinion. Ubon Danny, CEO, Cryptomania. Oh, you changed you went from Spaces and now you joined YouTube Live. I see. Yeah, I think YouTube Live is better if you want to chat live with me, and I can see right away that you're there, as opposed to Spaces. But I think Spaces is for talking, and but in the past, the quality of the audio from people wanted to participate in Spaces, it wasn't that good. So I'm not sure why. Maybe people have bad microphones or bad connections. I'm not sure. So that's why I I like to do YouTube Live as well. And YouTube Live, I can show you my screen. Well, let's take a look at the. Let's move this guy over here. Can I paste, remove, over, transform, rotate, flip horizontal? Yeah, I'm flipping so it looks like I'm looking at the screen. So, yeah, you can see I'm on Shogun Digital Company and the Twitter account, and I'm doing the Spaces live. Oh, I see your notifications. What's going on? I'm here. Yeah, thanks, Cryptomania. I saw you. Good morning, everyone. Where are you? It's morning where you are? Here is 6:27 p.m. and Nigeria is 11:27 p.m. Anybody else? Where are you located right now, Cryptomania? Where are you living? Where are you, Miko 2009? Caleb. Caleb ET Crypto the Boss 001. Is that Drake? Oh, this mask is killing me. I would like to see more participation from the people in the live stream. I have 4 comments on space. Yeah, it's me, you said. So I guess you're not on YouTube Live, Caleb, or are you? Maybe you don't have YouTube. I'm still waiting for Cryptomania to tell me where you are located right now. Where is everybody located? Oh, also from Nigeria. Okay, 2 people from Nigeria. Anybody else? Oh, oh, I should take a nap. So what are the other? Oh, let's take a look at what's going on. This is explore Amazon shareholders propose Bitcoin treasury inclusion. Oh, and I saw. I don't know if it's true or not, but it was Solana also was approved, and I posted. Let me see. I posted. I posted. Yeah, here. Solana and other coins named as securities, so that makes Shogun Coin even more attractive to investors now. But buy now and avoid higher prices tomorrow. This is breaking news from 2 days ago. Where is this guy getting the information? Earth is a security, okay. Yeah, well, who knows if it's true. It's okay. It's a way of, let's see, Solana network. Also, we have Reddit. Hey, I should put Reddit here on the web page. Where is the web page? Oh, here I should add Reddit to this. Let's go back to Solana. There, September 30. I'm not saying much. Solana is a blockchain built for mass adoption, advanced composable green, and global distributed X by Solana FNDN. Solana.com from Switzerland. Oh, I didn't know. 5 hours ago. Solana TK and verifiable sector is a dark horse you probably didn't know about. It's a quick roundup of ZK verifiability and privacy projects on Solana. Risk zero. The future of digital art and film is now FT. Don't know what that means. So guys, where are? Is anybody? Yeah. Okay. So did you guys invited your friends to participate in the live chat? I already talked about the meme contest, um, and the explosion of Shogun. And what I meant about the explosion is, um, it's where we're waiting for. This is a after being in a range for some time, many few months. Uh, we're breaking resistance and going higher and higher. So with all this, President Trump supporting the ETFs, the crypto ETFs, and the crypto world is um, uh, so let's say ETF, crypto ETF list. So with this support from the U.S. government um, on crypto, I think it's just a matter of time that we will see coins like Shogun, which is more than 6 months old and still um, bringing people to the community. It's just a matter of time that we will start seeing a big jump in the price. So guys, I've been telling you this for a few months already. Some of you follow through, some not. If you bought, even if you buy like 10 USDC, um, just imagine going back in time and being able to buy one Bitcoin. You will have $100,000 right now. Um, and this could happen with any coin, you know, especially when it's based on Solana, and Solana is also growing. You can double dip. So I said, Ubon, Danny, hello, Lord Toranaga Jr. Do you need manager to manage the Reddit channel? Uh, I have somebody, but I'll we'll discuss that later. Yeah, I don't know why would I need another one. Also, the volume of people coming to the Reddit right now is not that big that I would need another person to. But thank you for the offer. We can discuss that later on Telegram if you want, or if you want to discuss it now. I don't have anybody else can also chip in. We're trying to build a community from what we have, right? And I know there are other uh, CTOs. In this case, it's not a CTO because I've been supporting since day one, but other coins that people, the community takeovers, community taking over a project that probably is already dead, and they still, as a community, is so big that they can push the project upwards and create something great, right? So I don't see why we cannot do that. We have a live community. I also a live dev and supporting the project. So we just need more people coming into the community, sharing the project. That's all we need, really. The products that I'm creating uh, when in my free time, eventually they will come out and it will give value to the coin. But right now, the value is in the community. The value of the coin is reflected by the community. The community seems to be quiet. That's all. We need more. And maybe people are just bored, you know. Maybe when the new season of Shogun comes out, there's gonna be more eyes on the project, right? And the coin will go up again. Let me see. What was I? So the explosion will come when, oh yeah, the ETF list. So we have Fidelity Wise Origin Bitcoin, iShares Ethereum, Bitwise Bitcoin ETF, R21 Shares Bitcoin ETF, Vanek Ethereum ETF, Schwab Crypto Thematic, Fidelity Crypto Industry, Wisdom Tree, and 42 more. Wow. Hello, guys. I'm not kidding you. This is from Google. Well, we don't know if we can trust Google, but all this, the list that you see here, and I can probably share this, but you can see it on screen. So this list is all the ETFs that are based on crypto. There's 40, like 50. Grayscale Bitcoin, Ethereum, ProShares Ultra Bitcoin, Invesco Galaxy Bitcoin, Valk Valkyrie Bitcoin, Blockchain, Purpose Ether ETF, Grayscale Ethereum, Ethereum, I don't know what this, Bitcoin, Canadian Bitcoin, okay. Staking, crypto industry, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin. I'm trying to find one that has Solana in it. And that's the reason why Bitcoin is going so high, because there's a lot of ETFs that um, are buying Bitcoin. I saw one that says crypto industry. Let's look at this one. Fidelity crypto industry and digital payments ETF. Fidelity crypto industry and digital payment. It doesn't say what they have. Or, whoa. Okay. I don't see listed what the portfolio is in this ETFs. I would be nice if I could see what they're holding, right? Each of these ETFs, they don't say. No, they don't say what they're holding, so it's useless information. Uh, so yeah, let's search Google on this. Somebody's clapping. All right, thank you. Uh, Fidelity Investment, Fidelity Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund. I thought they had more than. Okay, how about Perplexity? Give me a second. Oh, Good. I wasn't sharing my screen. Why didn't you say something? Um, what? So I'm gonna ask Perplexity. Their portfolio. So I'm asking Perplexity, what ETF holds Solana in their portfolio? So we have um, can I share this information? Share link, then copy it. So now I can go to this one. Um, oh, I guess I just put it here. I'll just read it to you. Several investment products hold Solana in their portfolios, although there is currently no official approved Solana ETF in the United States, which is a good thing because if it's not yet approved, it means it will be approved soon when President Trump um, becomes the president, takes over, right? So there's no secure, not approved Solana ETFs yet. Here are some notable Solana-based securities. There's still some trust funds like Grayscale Solana Trust GSOL. This trust holds Solana tokens and allows investors to gain exposure to SOL through a security without directly buying and storing the cryptocurrency. Then we have 21 Share Solana ETP. This exchange traded product tracks Solana's performance and is listed on multiple European stock exchanges, including the SIX Swiss exchange. There you go. So Vanex Solana ETN, this exchange traded note offers exposure to Solana and is available for trading in Europe. Grayscale Digital Large Cap Fund. While not exclusively a Solana fund, this product includes Solana as part of its diversified portfolio of digital assets. So there you go. We still don't have um, an approved Solana ETF, but there are some funds that are holding Solana. So and this happened also with Bitcoin. Remember, I don't know, was it a year ago? Bitcoin wasn't approved as an ETF, but then it got approved and it jumped from I think 60 to 100 right now, right? Such a big jump. So my prediction is that once Solana is approved, there's a ETFs based on Solana or ETFs that has more than one security, uh, then Solana will skyrocket. With also Shogun will follow, of course. So this is my prediction for next year. All right, guys. Um, so I think we're good for today. I don't see many people participating, and the idea of having a live live streaming is that participation from the audience. Otherwise, it's just me talking non-stop. So let me just get. I think it's. I think it would be enough that we. Um, second. Sí, se escucha todo. Espera un ratito. Espera un ratito. So, guys, we'll just conclude the episode today as I don't see many people participating. So, like I said, having a silent audience in a live chat, and I already said what I had to say. Um, I heard many people wanted to have a live chat or a longer space, but I don't see people participating. So I'm just going to cut short our show by 10 minutes because I don't see anybody showing up today. So next time, bring the and all the people who promised was were going to be here, which didn't show up. Also, shame on you. Um, so next time, bring more people in. Let's have a conversation. So I'm not just the only one talking live. Okay, guys, have a great weekend and the start of the new week. And I'll see you on the next show. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.